How to gain some capital as a broke 12-year-old. If you have 12 years old, you are probably in the best moment to start doing businesses. If you win, you win, and if you fail, you stay the same 12-year-old boy. So there is really nothing to lose. For sure, there are ways to make money for free, like the ones that we are about to tell you. But for some, you have to invest some capital. This video is to show you how you can make some money while in school and living with your parents. First method, sell candy at school. It is not a myth that you can make dozens or even hundreds of dollars just by reselling candy at school. First, ask your parents for a big bag of the candy that you feel is the most trendy. Go sell it in school's breaks and reinvest the money to buy more candy. Second method, mowing lawns. You probably know the neighbors, and I bet all of them have grass in their back and front yards. It will be easier for you to convince them to pay you for mowing their lawns, and you will even develop some abilities like selling and persuading, because you will be closing clients. Third method, teach school subjects to kids your age or lower. If you are 12 years old and doing great at school, you for sure can take advantage of this. Fourth method, start a social media agency. If you really want to take things to the next level, you can start a real business at your age. Because you're young, most adults think that you are an expert in all things related to technology and social media. Take advantage of that and start managing people's social media accounts. So that was the video for today. Are you really 12 years old? If you don't, leave a like on the video and subscribe to see more content about making money.